Hey, what's up, Bittorrent holder? This video is very important for all my viewers, my subscriber, because I have given something very special information about BTT, my friend, in this time because the prices jumps down. So remember, we will need to predicate this coin. We will need to do a technical analysis to in upcoming time. Can there is a chance to BTT price will pumps up or they were fails down more and more? Definitely, if they were fails down, so you are lost. But if they were moving upward, so you were 100% get a profit. But sometime, my friend, the market cap is increasing and the change occurring is negative. You know what's the reason? This absolutely everybody knows this, my friends. True, sometime they will hit the highest. You can see at this time the highest price is 0.004 USD dollar, but the current price is 0.003 USD dollar. So this is does not mean, you can see here the change occurring is depend on this, my friend. If they were moving upwards, so my friend, they will get a profit. But if they were falls down, so they were my friend, change occur negative. So please hold it. Market cap, people are starting investing, so the market cap is increasing, and when a market cap is increasing, so 100%, my friend, the price will also increasing. So therefore, my friend, it all is, my friend, just only in circulation. But don't worry, my friend, if they were fails down, so remember to after up dump, every coin will pumps up. So therefore I will notify you to please holders, you will need to hold down in this time. I am 100% sure to, if you are hold down, so I hope they will give you a profit. So don't starting selling BTT coin holder. I hope my prediction is 100% going positive. I hope to in upcoming time BTT will get a profit. And my opinion is for all of you to please hold down. I hope my friend, in upcoming times BTT will very fastly moving upward, because in after the mid of month every coin will moving upward. All crypto market is comfortable. So therefore I hope to BTT will also completely go to the moon. See you next time, BTT coin holder. Please like the video and don't forget to subscribe this channel. Allah Hafiz, take care.